take your feet wider, comfortably wide apart. Engage your core. Okay. Place your arms at shoulder level. Turn your fingers towards each other. So the tip of the fingers pointing towards each other. Okay. Now the maximum that you are going to straighten your leg is this much. Right? So from here we are going to go down. We are going to do it in 3 different speeds. We'll start with the first speed, then go on to second speed, then third speed, then depending on how we are, I may go back to second speed and first speed like we do in Bharatanatyam. That's how we do all our steps, right? So we're going to try that now. Okay, ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and hold it there. Make sure you press the outside of your feet into the floor and the heel has to dig into the floor, okay? That will give you better balance and you're working your muscles properly then. Second speed, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pulse and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to go to the second speed, but if you're too tired, don't do it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Slow down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn your feet facing front. Take a step back. Bring your feet to the center. Now, inhale as you lift your leg. Hold your ankle and just pull your heel close to your bottom so that you're stretching your quads because you've worked our leg so much. We don't want it to go into spasm or have this lactic acid. Bring it down. The other leg, just hold it. Just stretching out those muscles. And bring it down. Okay? Now, let's take the weights and we're going to work our hamstrings by keeping it straight. We'll keep our feet hip width apart and then we're going to take our weights down to work our abs.